In this CapCut PC tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can animate a freeze frame, how you can how you can freeze a frame, and then how you can animate it. So it's very easy. I'm gonna animate this part. So select the video and then click on we have here reverse and then here freeze. Freeze is located between reverse and delete. Click on here on freeze, and now we freeze this frame. Now I'll move this above, and I will simply move this here and this here. Select the freeze frame, go to canvas here, go to color, and select a color so we can add some border. Okay, I'll go with white, something more simple. And now if we scale this, we have this white around. Now right click here and select create compound clip. And now we have this. And now to animate it, we need to add keyframe for scale, position, and rotate. Here I'm gonna move a couple of frames ahead, and now I will just move this. I'll scale this, rotate this, and here, and Control B to delete this portion. We need this, but this we don't need. And now we can Control C, Control V. So we can have another copy. And this we change, so we change the rotation, move it here. All right, and now all we need to do now just to move this above, and we have this video. And now we have this effect, this animation. And we can move the first one here. This one should be 2. And now here in animation, in audio, we can add some audio if you want. In sound effects, camera, you can write here and wait for camera shutter, like this. We can also add here some animation. And now we have this animation, which looks pretty good. So So I really hope guys you learned something. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Make sure you subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.